Hey guys, this is Rob Harrell with MarineMax in Charleston. Today we are looking at an absolutely beautiful Scout 277 Dorado in crystal blue. Anchor windlass on the bow of this boat, beautiful hardtop. This boat is powered by color matched twin Yamaha 200s. Let's get on board and take a look at her. All right, now we're standing on the transom. Beautiful transom back here, plenty of room to walk through. We have a walk-through transom door as well with rod and cup holders on the boat. This boat also has fender pros on it, so you can set those once and forget them. We have seating in the rear, which is really nice. You can stow away. And now you have plenty of room to fish back here. You also have a dive door as well. So when you pull up next to that dock, easy on, easy off, getting the fish on and off. Live well as well. Beautiful hard top. As you can see, we have rocket launchers in the rear. I know we've been looking at this boat and it's beautiful and it is yacht certified, but at the end of the day, this boat is a fishing boat as well. So we do have port and starboard fish boxes for those big catches. Also in the bow of the boat, it's mirrored on the other side. Sink area, you have a trash receptacle up here. You have a cutting board that sits on top of the sink, a slide out Yeti cooler with a utility drawer as well. With this boat's also equipped with a refrigerator, a mini fridge, another utility door. The seating on this Dorado, the transitioning is just amazing. There's all kind of combinations you can do. With the cooler, you can sit down, you could pick this back up, facing this direction. We have a table that comes up and down as well and locks into place. This seat that seats forward also slides back and flips over. So now you can slide it all the way back and pull the table up as well so you have a place to eat dinner. They just literally thought of everything on this boat. As we're moving up to the helm, we have a very wide, spacious captain seat. Plenty of room in it. Dual controls, you have your Yamaha gauges as well, your big Garmin screen. This boat is absolutely very comfortable. It's upgraded with the upgraded sound system as well. Also, throw this bolster back, I have plenty of room to stand. So I'm looking over the windshield. I have great visibility on this boat. We're gonna walk through, I'm gonna show you the head, fully enclosed head. Lots of room with a sink as well. And so I wanted to mention this is a smart boat, so you do have wireless charging at your captain's seat and on this side of the boat as well. Plenty of storage to easily access to your batteries, your gauges, and the ladder for your dive door stores neatly as well. And now we're going to step into the bow. As you can see, this boat does have a bow filler option on it. What's really cool about this boat is, number one, I'm 6 foot tall and there's tons of room on this boat. Absolutely. And what's really cool is your coolers are built in, port and starboard into the cushions, so you don't have to take anything off, which is awesome. Obviously, this boat's going to have anchor windlass as well with forward controls. This boat's also equipped with bow rod cup holders, so that means it is accessible to run a front bail shade system on this boat as well to keep you out of the sun when you're out having a good time on the water. Thank you for taking the time with me to walk through this 2025 Scout 277 Dorado. My name's Rob Harrell, MarineMax Charleston. You can reach us at 843-747-1889 or marinemaxcharleston.com. Let's get on the water.